guess what? I got a day off because the water in the school is broken. So I'm gonna ride my bike and go to a forest. But I never went to. But I wanna go to it. Alright. So that's my bike. Here's a forest. So I ride there, turn left, and then that's where my street is. Okay, fight my way through so many sticks. Alright. So I don't know if this is someone's property, but yep, here's some sticks. It's a good walking stick. Look. Alright. Yeah, this is the forest I found. I was just riding my bike around the neighborhood and I found this like a path. I hope that dog's not coming for me. Actually, the more I think about it, I think this is someone's property. Is this someone's property? Oh. Quick. I saw someone. Okay. 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 Go. What the heck? We're good. Okay, we're good. Is that noise? I don't know what to know. Oh my goodness. Oh no.